Welcome back, everybody. Today is June?
Yes.
July? June. Dang, I'm not with it today. June 15th, happy Father's Day. We have Deborah Kay, and hopefully she's mic'd up. We got a new mic for her, but it's not in her helmet. So we'll see. We'll see if it picks her voice up. Dang, it is a party up here.
Well, yeah, it did. It's finally got hotter after that bad storm Thursday.
Ooh, it's the vet collection right here.
Put out the tree branches.
Yeah. And they're just setting up for the day. It cracks me up that they just set up right in the middle. And all the tents over there. So for everybody that does not live in the San Antonio area, we've actually had some rain. We had some major flooding Thursday, Friday. So this is the first time I've been able to get out and take a look. Debbie was the lucky one where she was able to drive in it, and she couldn't even get to one of the bases and just went ahead and went to Sam. But it's crazy seeing the amount of water that's moved across some of these roads. Yeah, see, all of this was covered in mud. I would have hated to be out here in a tent.
Oh, yeah. Not just for the water, but all the lightning. Constant lightning.
It was.
Because every one moment that 3 hour period, lightning.
Ooh, we got
fishing.
Right? Instead of just going down on a tube. See, look, right in the middle of the river. They just set up. That cracks me up. Well, I'm assuming these people that do the tents, it's like the same people that do RVs, and if it's bad weather, they just go climb in their vehicle.
But what if there's somebody that came in on a motorcycle and they're really screwed?
Then they're screwed.
There's a
Yep.
restroom nearby that they can shelter in. That'd be sleepy and nasty.
That would be.
Okay. Saves your life.
Yep. And the river really doesn't look like it's up.
You don't think so?
I mean, it's up a
Depends
few
on where
inches.
you're at.
Yeah. Something shut down.
I lost you.
Did I lose you?
I didn't touch anything.
We've lost the Debbie K.
Oh, it's your mom.
Hi.
Hi, Brenda. How are you?
We'll pull over up here and fix it.
Yeah. You're on a bike ride and somehow you're connected to my helmet instead of Spencer's. Yeah, who's pulling over?
Maybe Cody Johnson?
No.
A Church Johnson?
Probably.
Probably.
Because they're building houses up there.
Oh, crap. That's crazy. That's better than down here, though, because down here it's even taller. Second crossing. Oh, the river blew through.
Oh, yeah.
looks very peaceful though.
Okay.
Oh, okay. You gotta do what you gotta do when the parking spot's not big enough, huh?
Right?
I wonder if the waterfall was actually having water come down it. I'll show you if I remember where it is. Yeah, there's a couple of them up through here. Yeah, we need to get up here and play a little bit.
Yeah, they probably wait till ladies back to school.
Yep. Have you ever been tubing down a river?
No.
I've done it once.
My city, Gilbert, not that.
Yep. Yep, we did it once with the Boy Scouts and we went down Rush Creek.
Yeah.
And it's, I mean, it barely had enough water in some places to get the tube up. Yeah, see the water? It is waterfalling a little bit. Yeah. Nice.
It's nice if we'd actually have some rapids.
Yeah. Yeah. That would be a very cool place to have some lunch. People are friendly today and they're waving.
I think I've seen it.
Just because you're on the back. Yeah. This guy's going on the slow side. Yeah. Come down to the tan turtle.
It's now open.
Yep. Yeah, see, there's houses up here. And there's a deck that's literally out over. I don't know if I could do it right on the edge. You saw me last night trying to get up and over that road. They were making noise, huh?
Yeah. Nice and long.
Did they change it from an American flag to a Texas flag?
Was there a American flag there before?
Yeah, just the last time I was through here. See, I stayed in something like that. I went to North Carolina to meet up with Blue Bike, and we stayed. This guy had this piece of property, and he just had like sheds lined up on this big hill on the side of a mountain, and they were just 1-bedroom, air conditioners, little heaters, and a twin bed.
Oh. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, I mean, that's all you need when you're on a big motorcycle trip. And then he had like guest showers and bathroom, and then he had some bigger ones that actually had their own bathrooms. Yeah, it could be. Maybe he just wants to see the water too. It's really super pretty through here.
Landslide back there with the tree branches and the orange trees.
I'm shocked we're not seeing more destruction.
Well, we might get that.
And then also, I'm assuming since we're so close to the dam, we're not going to see as much water as well. I wonder if you pay for a day pass if they run you back and forth all day.
I don't know, I would think so. Nobody's that big back there. It's like every time you go back, it's never like, I don't know if it's because you're so
Far out from everybody else.
it's not a rapid and stuff. It's just
Nice and
no
calm.
water.
Yeah, and I hardly ever see anybody in this section. Last time I came through, there were a couple. But it's not like further down where there's just a ton of people. There was cactus growing out of that tree.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Kind of like the love trees in Florida where a palm grows out of a normal tree.
Oh yeah, I hear you mention.
That'd be a pretty place to camp. Right along the river, plus you get the mountains.
Yeah.
So I think you go here and you float down to that one that didn't look very busy. Because I think that was Lazy L. Wow, we are crawling. Oh, that's pretty with the bird flying. And this has been closed for some time now too. Closed for road repair. That's what that sign up there, the brown sign says. So, all right, everybody. Oh, I think I'm gonna let everybody go here. If you could give me a big old thumbs up, stay safe. I'll see everybody down the road as we steal her mic. Look at that. It's still saying it was recording. So hopefully it picked it up. I can't open it. Ah.